Apple is trying to get out of a battery replacement because of exterior scratches. No way these two things are related. This is posted in mildly infuriating. Infuriating. Say that word. Infuriating. Go ahead, Mo. Say the word mildly what?
Mildly infuriating. Oh, infuriating. Whoa. Now I can't speak.
Mandela effect. That's not what that is. Try it again, Mo.
No, I can't.
Try it again.
I'm not double dipping.
Mo,
Willie do, come save me here.
More money, more markets.
Mildly infuriating? Is that what it is?
Willie do, ladies and gentlemen. Willie do. Nobody do like Willie do. More money. This guy went to Apple with his AirPods Max and he said the battery is shot. I need a replacement and it's under warranty. Help me out. And the Apple store said, you know what? That's funny about your battery. We think it has to do with the scratches on the outside of this device. We think you're somewhat responsible. He says the two things are not related. They say, oh, they absolutely are. You're one of these guys that treats your stuff like crap.
You're one of those guys?
You're one of those guys. Mo is so skeptical right now.
This is a weird story. So they didn't change it? They said, no, we're not going to do it? Even though it's
not as far as like under warranty.
Oh, he'd have to pay for it.
But you know how that goes with Apple. They'd be like, you know what it's going to cost? You got to get a new pair. It's not really worth it. Outside of warranty, it's typically not worth it. I know things have kind of changed a little bit, but I was in the Apple repair business for long enough to know that they would much rather you just buy a new one as opposed to go through the hassle of making another one. But in this case, you know, they would just say generically, there's other contributing factors to the failure of this particular device. And then you would be left to guess what exactly that is. Now, what they did in that photo, Willie Doo's doing a little LaterCase promo. Yeah, why not? He could have got the repair if he would have had the Kevlar on the outside. This is super.
And looks sick with it.
Super easy install. It's a beautiful, smooth finish. And it's 2 seconds. Yeah, 2 seconds to put it on there. No excuses.
It's a nice click, too.
It's a very satisfying click. So anyways, they send a picture of the reason why, right? There's a hardware issue affecting the device is the new issue. And then photos of the new issue, which is just some scratches. So they're like, we just believe you beat it up. And then that's affecting your battery, I suppose.
By the way, those scratches, for the people listening, it's not that bad. Around the edges, you see like white little tinks. But I feel like that could happen if you just put it in a bag with keys in it.
Our technicians carefully inspected your product and found another issue. In addition to the one described in your original repair request, please let us know if you want to proceed. Pay your remaining balance at the Apple Store or your device will be returned. His original issue was battery and charging, so it could have been battery life or the fact that it wouldn't charge. But he's pissed now. He's in the mildly infuriating subreddit here. And there's some replies, actually, where individuals have said, hey, I used to work at the Apple Store, and this shouldn't affect it. They're saying with these scratches and stuff.
Well, someone can look at it and know that scratches won't affect the battery, especially if it's exterior and it's very minimal.
But, you know, we have to at least open, and by the way, I'm not trying to infuriate the mildly infuriated guy anymore, but maybe they thought some kind of trauma or dropping had somehow impacted some other aspect.
And
it's hard to take a picture of this, whatever this extra issue is. By the way, I'm not trying to discount the guy. I'm sure, I think he should get the battery.
Same.
Just give him the battery. You're Apple. You're Tim. Give him. My phone was, here's another example we can read here. There's another guy here. His phone was having issues. He called tech support because he figured out on his own the phone was part of a batch where 25% had a battery default. So they said, a defect, I think he meant to say. They said they will fix it for free. I sent it in. It had a small chip in the top right corner. They wouldn't fix the defective battery unless I also fix the corner chip, which was about $150. Then he says, that is straight extortion. Like everyone, I need my phone for work, a new phone. And it was a new phone, so I wasn't going to toss it. Yeah, there's all kinds of funny business that goes on in this thing. And that's why people are so committed to the right to repair stuff.
Yeah.
Because it opens up another avenue when Apple just decides, hey, no thank you. And now you don't have to chuck it in the garbage and be quite as wasteful. You might find a way to make those AirPods Max work. And they cost about $1 billion.
Yeah.
Those headphones.
They're really expensive.
So you wouldn't want to toss them because they had some scratches, right?
No. You should slap a later case on them.
Oh, well,
so that doesn't happen.
Yeah. You're going back down that road right there. That's a fair point. So anyway, yeah, too bad for that guy. Who knows? Maybe Apple will see that post. Maybe he's got maybe things will change. Maybe he's got some other type of recourse. Maybe he's going to call up Louis Rossmann.
Shout out.
Mo?
Don't know who he is.
Mo, maybe he's going to call up Louis Rossmann.
Okay.